just as a wheel that makes a squeaky sound demands attention due to the noise it creates, a person who is a squeaky wheel makes their voice heard in order to draw attention to their issue or request, and often with the hope of receiving resolution or assistance. It's been said that the squeaky wheel gets the oil every time. In other words, you have to make your request known, and you make your request known by continuing and being persistent and consistently going before the Lord, pleading your case before the Lord, continuously